Hello, everyone. I am Dr. Tidwell. Let me let you know a little bit about myself. So, this is for open house. We're doing it virtual this year. So, I'll just give you a little bit about me. I am Dr. Tidwell. I have now been teaching high school for 4 years with about 15 years total of education, mostly on the higher ed college level. I started off at Kell High School in 2017. Then I moved over to Pebblebrook that summer. Came over here to Wheeler in 2020. You can see the classes I listed there. Taught everything from AP US History to Ethnic Studies to World Geography for ninth graders. I am now doing an avid elective. US History as well has been the main thing I've been doing. I'm originally from South Central LA. I lived in San Francisco for about 6 years, and I moved here to Atlanta, where I did my master's degree in African American Studies at Clark Atlanta. My bachelor's degrees are in both Black Studies and Meteorology from San Francisco State, and my PhDs in Public Policy and Administration. So I'm gonna give you a second to maybe look at this little quick screen. I know early in the year I sent out another video that kind of gave you more of an introduction to me. Right now I want to really focus more on our classes. So I'll give you a second. You always hit the pause button, look over a little bit. You always can email me at Wiley, WYLIE, Tidwell, TIDWELL, at cobbk12.org. Okay. All right. So let's get into CTLs. That's the biggest thing. Well, one more thing first. All your students right now should have a business card of mine. Is yellow, and they go to drtidwell3.com, and this is where they find my blog and things of that nature, right? So this is really good to really help them out. And what they're going to do here is they're really just everything's here. So first off, this is where they can find their syllabus and stuff. There's still a few assignments that's out where some students are not able to get you and your students sign off on the syllabus. Click on the syllabus for their class, print that off, give me the last sheet, also give them a hard copy of it. But then this is also the calendar. So this tells you everywhere we're going. So today was early release day. And if you look at it for, like, say, my regular U.S. history class, we were supposed to do Federalist, Anti-Federalist mini-Q. So we're a little behind, which is fine because I was out sick on Friday. But we're going to still be able to catch up and still have plenty of time to do, like, DBQs, things of that nature. Okay? Also, they go to U.S. History blog for my U.S. History students. The big thing here is the Cliff Notes. Like, this is where I give them everything. So, like, before the Unit 1 exam, they can click right here, and they can have all the information for, like, the whole test. And I'm going to make this live per unit. The same thing for, like, Unit 2. Here it is right here, Unit 2. Here's a quick little, this here when it comes up, and my computer's taking time to load up, going slow with me recording. Here's a video that we did that covers everything for this unit, Constitution through a War of 1812. That is Unit 2. They can watch this video and get everything there. So even if a student is out, ill, sick, this is linked to CTLS, and they also go to my blog, get all the information to help them out. So let's go ahead and go to CTLS real quick. This is CTLS. So when you open up a class, I'm going to use my ethnic studies for an example. Click on the classroom right here. The class boards where they have all the information. So like this right here was the introduction video that I did earlier in the semester, like how to get into vocabulary, any kind of announcements I post here for them. But now if they go here to where it says classroom assignments, this is all the assignments listed for the class. So everything that we do in class is going to be posted here. They go to digital sessions, same thing there. Okay. Let's go to now my U.S. history classes, for example. Let's go to my second block. Here's the class board. It has all like any kind of announcements I want to post there. I'm going to start utilizing that a lot more. Now they go to their assignments. They got a lot more. Here's everything here for them. What I always do is sort by the due date. That way you can know what's coming up. So like units, like right now, for all the students taking my U.S. history classes, not my AP classes, because they're going a lot slower at a different pace. They have test corrections due on Wednesday. They can get back points on the test that they did really bad on. Tomorrow, here's tomorrow's work right here, as far as Washington Adams presidency. On Friday, they had to do the superhero branches. It's right here. So none of this work needs to be submitted to CTLS. This is more so if a student falls behind or if a student is ill for any reason, it's posted here to CTLS. All you do is click on it. I'm going to give instructions with a link to how to do the work. So hopefully that helps out a lot too. If they go to resources, my lesson plans I typically post right here as well. Here's the link to my website, which they also have on my card, to my blog. So it's there to help them out as well. So I really hope this helps out. I just want to really take a second to just kind of give you that information. If you have any kind of questions or concerns, anything comes up, make sure you let me know, and I'm here to help you out.